Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You're starting with your Airpods connected to your iPhone. This matters because the phone controls the output. First, open Settings and confirm Bluetooth shows your Airpods as connected. Once done, go to Sounds and Haptics and check the volume level. Set a conservative starting point. Next, enable headphone safety so iOS can automatically reduce loud sounds. This protects hearing and gives a baseline you can tweak. Make sure sound is playing while you adjust so changes take effect immediately. Now fine-tune how your Airpods deliver sound. Use the Control Center volume slider for quick, precise changes because it directly controls output level. For more control, go to Settings Accessibility Audio/Visual. Adjust left-right balance so both sides match and route audio to Airpods. Then enable headphone accommodations and customize amplification and tone to target frequencies you want louder or softer. This shapes perceived loudness without spiking peak decibels. Finish by testing with a few familiar tracks while watching headphone safety history or a dB meter app so you know actual exposure. This confirms comfort and safety. If levels feel inconsistent, check for firmware updates in the paired device, and if needed, reset the Airpods by holding the case button and repairing. Make sure to keep headphone accommodations and volume limits saved. Troubleshooting tip. If volume remains stuck after resets, restart your phone. Toggle Bluetooth, then repair once. This resolves most software-related level issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.